Hi Jody, I'm James with Denver Water. I'm here to do your water audit today.
Hi James, I'm so glad you're here. I've been so worried about this water bill, so thank you for being on time.
No problem, that's what I'm here to do. How can I help you today?
I'm really upset. I just got my water bill, and it's usually really low, but it was $700 this month, and I'm really worried about my consumption.
Okay. Have you made any kind of changes? Have you had any repairs made? Sprinkler system, bathrooms, anything inside?
No, not really. Everything's been pretty status quo. I did just shut down the irrigation system right before that last frost.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll concentrate on inside first, and then we'll look at your sprinkler clock and we'll talk about outside.
Okay, terrific. Thanks for being here.
Okay.
Come on over here, James. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the water bill I just got. You can see consumption low, but look at that.
Now my question to you is on that, I noticed you use 93,000 gallons, and I see that here. Now my question to you is you just turned your sprinkler system off just this past week. Am I correct?
Yep,
Okay.
yep. I left it on a little bit longer because it's been so dry.
Okay, so now what we need to do now is go check your meter and get a reading off that and make sure there's no constant flow on there.
Okay, that sounds
Okay.
great.
Can you show me where that's at?
Yep, it's right down here in the basement.
Well, Jody, you have a constant flow here on your meter, and it's running about 6/10 gallons per minute.
What does that mean? What's 6/10 mean?
Well, 6/10 is about 36 gallons in an hour.
An hour?
Yes, ma'am, that you're losing.
In a toilet?
It can be. Well, you know what? Let's go and check your toilets. How many do you have?
I've got 4 toilets here, 4 bedrooms.
Okay, well, you lead the way and we'll
All
go
right,
check them out.
let's go.
Jody, it appears this toilet here is making some noise like it's leaking.
Really, I don't hear anything. Well, sometimes I hear it and I just jiggle a handle and it seems to stop.
Well, they get worse over time. Let's take a look at it and see what we got going on in here. So let's check this one out, see what we got going on. It looks like this one's leaking here.
Wow, I would never have guessed that.
Yep, so what I did is I already turned it off for you.
Okay.
So we controlled the
Okay,
leaks like
thank
that.
you.
So we can go downstairs and we can talk about ways we can get this fixed and other programs we have.
What do I need to do? Do I need to get a plumber? Do I have to replace the whole toilet?
Real easy fix. It's just a flapper and a float. You don't have to pay no plumber to do that.
Okay, flapper and a float, what's that?
Let me show you. This is your float here. As you see, if I pull this up here, once this gets to the level, this stops it. And here's your flapper right inside here, this little rubber piece here.
Okay.
Okay?
And that's an easy fix, something I can do?
Real easy fix. You can do it. You just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and pick up your parts and you can do it.
It's a lot cheaper than the $700 bill. What am I going to do with that?
Well, let's go sit down and talk about that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so you have the inside toilets leaking. You got that turned off. Meter's holding now.
Okay.
But what I want to do is I want you to call us back out in the spring so we can check your sprinkler system. Because I think this 93,000 gallons has something to do with your outside irrigation.
Oh, so that's not just the toilet alone?
No, the toilet alone, the toilet by itself is probably about 25,000 gallons in a billing period that you're losing on that toilet alone.
Wow, okay. So you think the rest of this is going to be irrigation related?
I do think that.
Okay.
So right now what I want you to know that I put on here, we found the toilet leaking upstairs. You just got to replace your flapper and the float, and then call us back out in the spring and we'll come back out with no problem and get you taken care of.
Well, now, that's great. I appreciate you finding the problem inside. But what about my bill? It's Christmas time, and $700 is a lot of money.
Understandable. We have an outstanding customer care team, and you can give them a call, and we have several options for you, and they can assist you with it.
Oh, that's terrific. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, are we okay now?
Oh, I think we're good. toilet's off, I'll go down to Lowe's and see if I can fix it myself, and I'll give you a call in the spring.
Okay, Jody, thank you.
Oh, yeah, thanks so much, James. I appreciate
And,
your
and
time.
in this tablet, this pamphlet here, there are some different ways of saving water. Like I said, so you can go over here's your 6/10. It shows you the 36 gallons an hour, 864 in a day, and you're using the 25,920 in a billing period.
That's crazy.
Okay, and there's just other ways of saving water. Here's some more dye tabs. So when you do repair that toilet, you can drop these dye tabs in the tank just like I showed you earlier and make sure that's holding.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay. Thanks a
All
lot.
right,
Nice meeting you,
James.
Jody.
Yeah, thanks so much for coming. Bye, James. Thank you.
But wait, there's more. Hang on to your seat, baby, cause this one's a screamer. I'll be back.